Okay, Mountain of Roses, everyone. So today we will tackle the prehistoric period. So prehistoric period, it refers to the time in history where when there were still no system of written documents. So during this period, animals are much bigger than the modern animals. People are ignorant. Um, Also, there's no technology. And some of the animals here can be seen in the movie Ice Age. So, prehistoric period is commonly divided into two periods. First, the Stone Age, and the second one is the Metal Age. So, during the Stone Age, stones are very helpful in their daily lives. They use stones in killing animals. Also, mm, making fire. Also, they use friction um, using the stones. So the Stone Age was a road prehistoric period during stone was widely used to make a tools, age point, and percussion surface. So um, Stone Age is divided into two major periods also. First is the Paleolithic period. So Paleolithic is originated from the Greek word paleos, which means old, and litho means stone. So during this period, early settlers used rough stone tools for their daily activities, like what I have said. They use it in making a fire, defending their self, and also hunting animals for their food also. Um, During this period also, people are called nomads. Okay, when you say nomads, they were the people who wanders from place to place. Um, they did not have permanent home. They walk erect and have physical characteristics of human being. They were called nomads because they hunt animals every place. If no animals beside in their territory, so they will um, transfer to another place for order to them to survive. So Homo erectus philippinensis is the first settler in the Philippines. So they belong to the early specimen of man, live approximately 1.8 million and 300 million years ago. So it's like their faces is like um, humans, but they just walk not erected also, but not that like and they are very ignorant. They also use bones of an animals in making a weapon and for their daily hunting, and also stones. So as what you have seen, they are hunting and animals. So the Tabun Man, okay, the Tabun Man refers to the main discovery in the Tabun Cave in Lipon Point in Quezon, Palawan in the Philippines. They were discovered by Robert B. Fox, an American anthropologist of the National Museum of the Philippines on May 28, 1962. So this, as what you have seen in the background, this is the skull of the Tabun Man, which found in or discovered in the Tabun Cave in Palawan. So as you can see in this picture, So this is the Tabon Cave in Palawan. So many human being or Homo erectus or Tabon man live in this cave during prehistoric period in order for them to have a shelter and defend themselves from the wild animals also. So Kalauman. So the Kalauman is the metatarsal bones is the bones between toes and ankles. So that's what you have seen. This is a metatarsal bones. So this one, the one that is holding by the two fingers. So Kalauman, uh, in the modern time, this species is now the second known dwarf human on record. So as what you have see, the bones from this um, human or dwarf is very small. So the second period is the New Stone Age or the Neolithic period. So this period considered the last stage of the Stone Age. So also mark a development in economics life of settlers in the Philippines. Okay, during this period also, people are practicing agriculture and started kaingin. So during Neolithic period, people from this people from the modern time are included also from the Neolithic age. So since Neolithic age, people from this time or period are developing agriculture. They have their own animals. They plant rice, corn. They have, that's what you have seen. They have different animals which they have an agriculture with it, and also kaingin. Okay, when you say kaingin, it's burning fires, burning forests. So to make it a charcoal. So Angono petroglyphs. It is carved into a rock wall in Angono, Rizal, Philippines. It consists in 127 humans and animal figures engraved on the rock wall, probably carved during the late Neolithic. So as what you have seen in the background, these are like some examples of the petroglyphs. So we also know how to make it. I know some of you are carving your names in the from the trunks or body of the plants, big plants also. Maybe your parents also, or but this one is the Angonopidrolyph. So the Middle Age. So Metal Age, this age discovered the use of the metal. Okay, Metal Age is also divided into three stages. First, the Copper Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. At this stage, the early civilization that would eventually inventing writing, engineering, this. So during this age, people knows how to use and make weapons like sword, axe also, using these metals. Like in the modern time, we also use metals also. Robot is also one of the kind of metal. So early communities. So Negritos. So Negritos is one of the first people established communities in the Philippines. It believes that they arrived across the Philippines through the land bridges. Um, they were dark skin, short, and had the curly hair, as what you can see, black, curly hair, and short. Okay, this man is so tall. These are the Negritos. So if you have questions, kindly ask. You can PM me. That's all. Thank you.